Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Echo Plus as a Zigbee hub for smart devices, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Echo Plus is plugged in and powered on. Download and open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Amazon account if you haven't already. On the app's home screen, tap the device's icon at the bottom right corner. Select the plus icon at the top right corner to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the list of options. Scroll down and select Hub from the categories. Choose Echo Plus when prompted to select a hub. The app will automatically search for your Echo Plus. Once detected, tap on your Echo Plus device to proceed. Confirm that your Echo Plus is connected to Wi-Fi. If necessary, switch to the same Wi-Fi network for all your smart devices. Now, go back to the Devices tab in the Alexa app. Tap on the plus icon again to begin adding your Zigbee devices. Select Add Device and choose the category of the smart device you want to configure. Follow the on-screen prompts to put your Zigbee device in pairing mode. Once the device is ready, tap Discover Devices in the app. Wait for your Echo Plus to find and connect to your Zigbee device. After successfully configuring, assign the device to a group if desired. Repeat these steps for any additional Zigbee devices you want to add. Once all devices are added, you can rename them for easier control. To control your devices, simply use voice commands with your Echo Plus. Explore automation options for a seamless smart home experience. Your Echo Plus is now successfully functioning as a Zigbee hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.